Ubuntu 22.10 is out and is packed with a lot of amazing features. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Ubuntu 22.04 to Ubuntu 22.10. So let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to go to on your menu here, you want to go to where there is this software updater. So you want to click software updater. So here we need to change a certain setting for you to update to the latest version of Ubuntu. Okay, so you are going to leave it to check through updates. So only once it checks through the updates, it will say you are fully up to date. So if you're not fully up to date, you have to make sure that you are up to the latest version of the long-term support. That's the only time you can upgrade to the latest version of Ubuntu. So this is what you should see. That's our first step. Then you want to go to settings. Okay, so you want to open up your settings, and then here we're going to change just one quick setting that will enable us to upgrade to the latest version of Ubuntu. Okay, so you see this screen right here. So where you want to go is notify me for new versions. Okay, so at the moment it's only set to long-term support, but here we want to set it to for any version. So we want to know if there's a version. So it will ask you for a password. Just put in your password. Yes, and for this new version of Ubuntu, it is only supported for 9 months. So you've got 9 months of support, and also it will be backed up by the long-term support as well. So for now, if you want to check out new features and if you want to see all the new features packed into the new version of Ubuntu, you want to click this video right here. It will direct you on the video that I've done on the latest features of Ubuntu. So once you set this there, you want to close, and now we want to run the updater again. So you want to go ahead again and open up the updater. So you want to open up the updater and leave it again to check for updates. So now it should inform us that there's a new update. So it will ask us if we want to upgrade or not. Okay, so that will be the first step to upgrading to Ubuntu. Okay, so this is what you should see. As you can see, so this will only appear when you are on the latest version of the long-term support. So as you can see, it's saying there's Ubuntu 22.10 available. We want to now say upgrade. Okay, so now this will upgrade our system for us. So just put in your password to accept to the upgrade, and also you can read through the Kudu release. Okay, so you can check through what are the new fixes, and we'll be going in detail with these new features once we are done with the upgrade. So you want to stick around for the next video. Okay, so we want to click upgrade. Then you should see it starting to download. So from here now, you want to give it some time to do its thing. So you just leave it, and then it should start with the upgrade. So that's how you update Ubuntu to the latest version. So if you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit notifications so that you don't miss any time I release a new video. See you in the next one.